Breaking news just into our newsroom at 5. Multiple people hurt as a United Airlines flight is diverted to Memphis International Airport just hours ago. Our Desmond Nugent is live outside of the airport gates at Memphis International Airport. And Desmond, tell us how all this happened and explain exactly where this plane was coming from.
Rudy, that plane originally was coming from Cancun and was supposed to be going back to Chicago. But as you can see behind me, the United Airlines plane just took off the tarmac and is going right back to Chicago. Now, how all this started was that there was an emergency landing here. We don't know exactly what time they came, but that plane, as I said earlier, did make an emergency landing from Cancun. And we were told by Memphis Fire Department that they did confirm that at least 6 people were injured. 1 person was sent to the hospital, and about 170 people were on board. Now, we did receive a statement from United Airlines, and if you want to check that full statement, go to abc24.com. Live at Memphis, I'm Desmond Nugent.
All right, Desmond, thanks a lot. We'll certainly learn more about that incident as the night goes on, and we'll bring that to you at home. But Danielle Moss, our chief meteorologist, has some experience in the air as a flight attendant, and we've been seeing a lot of turbulence on some flights across the country lately.
Yes, you know, on those long-haul flights, which from Cancun to Chicago was around a 4-hour flight. You get comfortable, very comfortable. There was multiple services going on, from your snack service to your meal service. So there's a lot of things happening. People tend to take off their seatbelts. We always tell people, even if that sign is off, to make sure you're buckled, because you never know when you can hit that clear air and that turbulence can happen. It's still very dangerous to be flying that way.
Yeah, you get so comfortable, as you say, you take a nap, and it's hard to imagine what could possibly happen when you hit those air pockets and other things. What other sorts of things cause this to happen?
Sometimes clear air. So even though you're flying, there's no storms in the air, you have a pocket of air that could cause turbulence. And that's why a lot of times, even flight attendants, you see it walking around in the cabin, they will hit the ceiling if they hit that turbulence too hard.
Yeah, about 100 or more people on that flight,
yes.
Several people injured. We hope that they will be okay, and we hope they won't see many more of these happening either.
Right, exactly. It's very important. So remember, seatbelt sign off, still keep that seatbelt sign on when you are in your chair.
Rule of thumb.
Yes.
All right, let's